Hello, so today I will be telling you about how to create a TED-Ed account and create a lesson. So TED-Ed helps to pull videos that have already been published. It could be through YouTube or a personal video of your own, and it highlights steps of the video to produce a lesson. So for this example, I did how to change a tire, and this is what my example looks like. So you have the introduction where it says let's begin. You have the video right here, and then you have the dig deeper, which has a question for you, and it lets you view and start a discussion if you had any questions on the matter. You could do finally, which is the conclusion of it, and you can also add questions like a multiple choice question if you want to, and many other properties. So first I'm going to tell you what to do. So you create an account. Right here you can see my account. You do create a lesson, and if we were doing the how to change a tire, you would simply type in that in and it'll pull one from YouTube. This is the video that I did. You click continue, and it gives you the option to do let's begin, think, dig deeper, discuss, and finally. So let's begin is your introduction. Think could be some questions, an open answer question, multiple choice. The dig deeper is extra information. Discuss could be a prompt, and this could encourage the viewers to come up with a question about this or a topic that's important. And finally is the conclusion. So once you've done that, you can hit publish, and it'll give you the link to your new video, which will appear. All your information that you do is right here. So you watch that video, click the dig deeper, and then it has that extra information about the video as well. You could do, and then your viewers can start a discussion, and they're able to discuss with you what they learned from this video or have a question, and then they can answer it. And this is basically how you use TED-Ed. It's very easy and user-friendly. You're able to do this on any videos, and can really help with students specifically because it keeps them engaged throughout the video. Thank you.